Hi, Conrad. I'm going to go over for you the problem from the pretest that you had the question on in Luminome. What we'd like to do is we need to write the equation of a line given this point and the slope. All right, so let's take a look at this. There's two formulas that we can use. So the first formula is y is equal to mx plus b. That's an equation of a line. Or y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x sub 1. Okay, I'm going to use the second one here, and then we'll transform it by simplifying into this form that's requested in the problem. Okay, well, if you notice, what we're given is x1 and y1, and then we're given the slope. So let's substitute in the second equation, which is the point-slope form. The y and the x are variables, so they stay in the problem. We're going to substitute for y1, m, and x sub 1. All right, so I'm just going to do this in two different colors. So y, I need minus negative 14 here. Okay, but since it's minus negative 14, that means it's going to become a positive 14. And then it's going to be equal to the slope, right, which is 3/7. And leave the x alone, and it's here, if you notice, it's minus 49. So here it's minus a negative 49, so then we're going to make that plus 49. And close parentheses. Okay? Next, we're just going to work through the problem. So, distributing on the right side. So this looks like 3/7 x plus 3/7 times 49. And when we simplify this, I get y plus 14 is equal to 3/7 x plus, notice here that the 7 goes into 49 7 times, so then I end up with a plus 21. Okay, and then finally, when I subtract 14 for both sides here, and then simplify, I'm going to end up with, if I go to the next page here, go back for a second, that's where we ended off. All right, so I'm just going to go to the next page. So it's going to look like y is equal to 3/7 x plus 7. So if you have any questions, just let me know. What I'll do is, okay, our final answer will be y, let me, right, and that's the equation of the line in the y equals mx plus b format. Save this video and I'll upload it and send it to you via email. All right, let me know if you have any other questions, either via email or through Luminome. Thank you.